Now बच्चे, have a look on illustration number 40. X, Y and Z, three partners were there and their profit sharing ratio was 3:1. After the final accounts have been prepared, this line shows that this question is related to past adjustment. Means after the final accounts have been prepared, it was discovered that interest on drawing had not been taken into consideration. Means you forget to take into consideration the interest on drawings. Now the interest on drawing of the partners amounting to rupees this. In this question, interest on drawing is already given, but if you have to calculate the interest on drawings, then if the date of drawing is not given, always consider that you have to calculate for 6 months. In next question, you have to calculate drawings, interest on drawings. Drawings are given and you will charge interest on drawings for 6 months only, because date is not given. It is a rule, whenever date is not given for drawings, you have to take only 6 months interest on an average. But in this question, interest is already given and the total of interest is 5400. And if you remember, I taught you in the previous video that the things to be credited and debited means interest on capital, salary, commission and correct profit to be credited. Only two things to be debited were interest on drawing and wrong profits. So in this question, we will take interest on drawings. We have forgot. So interest on drawing will be debited. Interest on drawing will be debited, and it is already given in the question, calculated already. 2550, 1850 and 1000. Total we will do 5400. So now what we will do? We will just divide the 5400, division of 5400 in profit sharing ratio, and the ratio was given in the question 3:1. We just have to divide this 5400 in 3:1, and if here is debit, now here we will do credit. In previous question, we will credited interest on drawing and interest on capital. We have credited interest on capital and the total we have debited. But in this question, if we are starting with debit balance, we will credit this total in profit sharing ratio. Just opposite we will do. If we will take interest on drawings from the partners, then the profit will increase by 5400. This profit will be divided among the partners in 3:1. This is the logic. If we have to give something to them, that means we have divided the profit more, that we will take that back. And if we have to take something from them, that will increase the profit, and the profit will be credited to them in 3:1. And when we will divide 5400 in 3:1, it will be 2700, 18,000 and 1800 and 900. Total 5400. How we will divide this? 3 plus 2 plus 1, it will be 6. 6 will be there, and 5400 multiplied by 3 by 6, it will be 2700. When 5400 will be multiplied by 2 by 6, it will be 1800, and when 5400 will be multiplied by 1 by 6, it will be 900. So in this way we have just calculated, and now again we have to do the similar task. Now look, debit is more or credit is more? Debit is itna, credit is itna, means credit is more than debit. So X will be credited by the difference amount is 150. X will be credited with 150, and Y's debit is more, 50 debit. Y will be debited. Now Z's debit is more than credit, so Z will also debited with rupees 100. So it was so easy to calculate the journal entry. Now Y and Z will be debited and X will be credited. Now we will write Y's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit to X capital account. 50, Y was 50, Z was 100 and X was 150. It will automatically be equal. Now the most important thing is narration. Adjustment of interest on drawing. Omitted interest on drawings. Adjustment of interest on drawing which was omitted. Means we have just omitted interest on drawing. Now we have taken back. This was the adjustment. In this question, interest on drawing was already calculated, but in next question it will be calculated, and you will calculate for 6 months only, because when there is always a rule, whenever interest on drawing date is not given for drawings, we will charge interest on drawing for 6 months only on an average. If we don't know when drawings are made, so we will take just on an average 6 months. In this question it was given, it was already calculated. In next question you will calculate for 6 months only, then the question will be similar. Interest on drawing is always debited and the total will always credited. And these things, interest on capital, salary, commission, correct profit, these all are credited first and their total is always debited. Thank you.